Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District Abhilash Baranwal IAS ula Kyntu ki Paidbah nong Shnong ka district bakin long ki ba Husiar bah hakini kisngi namar ka jinglong jingman ka soin beneng ka basniu da ka ba ai jingmut baki dei ban shong khop hayeng hasem bat kyar nakalet ka wan shaki jaka ki bala ban wan ra jingma lada jakan san uslap ba ni ka eryong habakran shakilat pathai Khubor UDC ula Pyntip ba katkum ki jingyo jingtip na ki block development officer BDO jang ki block paper hadu shispa sa punyo tili ki Shnong kila shakta haka jingwan kansan ke eryong haka mir jang kasngi baladep laong ru ba palat 6,000 tili kilong yeng kila shakta ki ba bon na ki kila mat e ka jing Julor ka bajur kat ba kat tu kat nepat kila shakta malu mala kajingwan ke eryong bat uslap kalawan ra ru ya kajing pentut haka boarding electric haka bala shakta ka 132 kV line ha bernihat ha umyam bat ka 33 kV line ha nongpo namar kata nakaliang ka Borsenshar district labatha ya katnat penmi boarding bahkan penstat ban maramot bat penbhano yakini kilan knang ban lait na kinu kijing e haka sam boarding Shushu UDC ulah hukum meki BDO bagi net jurip syaki Shnong ki bala syakta ban yakendo yaki long yeng ki bala mat ki jing e bat ban pentikna bagi jing erap kin poi syaki Paidbah kat kum ki jing dan kam nakaliang ka office deputy commissioner kala dep ru ban pha yaki jing erap bakan thop yau khaw ki jan kups aj bat ki wei pat ki mar jing erap ki bala dep ban sam syaki babun ki long yeng kumshi benta ka jing erap pakerki Hakaju kapor UDC ula kerpat ekinu kilong yeng ki bala syakta hendrai kim pat yo jingerap bakin Pyntip syaka office DC lengba ki nombor bala ai knang ban penti kena ba ka jingerap kan poi hok syaki ba dev hok ban yo
So yesterday, after a late night storm, today we took a meeting with all the BDOs, with all the line departments to assess the damage that has been inflicted upon the entire district. So as per the compilation, as per the latest report that we have received from the BDO so far, a total number of 147 number of villages have been affected. More than 1,000 houses, I mean 1,028 houses to be exact, as of now, have suffered damages of various extents. Some houses have been fully damaged also, and some houses have received partial damage. Simultaneously, as far as the utilities are concerned, there was one landslide, small landslide on the Umling Patharkama road that has already been cleared, so that road has been restored. As far as electrical lines are concerned, that have suffered maximum amount of damage also. So, for example, near Umiam there has been some severe disruption. Barnihat also there has been disruption in the 132 kV lines, and simultaneously, as far as Nongpo is concerned, the 33 kV line is still yet to be restored. However, we are closely coordinating with the MEPDCL also to ensure that all these lines are restored as soon as possible. As far as relief measures are concerned, we after the meeting that we had with the BDOs today, we had instructed our BDOs that they will be going to all the to as many villages as possible to assess the impact, to connect, to basically reach out to all the people who have received the brunt, whose houses have been affected in the yesterday's storm. We have also disbursed dry ration and tarpaulin sheets in form of immediate relief to all these households, because collection of bank accounts and assessment of damage and then ultimate disbursal of the relief amount, which is basically the relief amount in terms of monetary compensation, that will take some time. But for immediate relief, we have disbursed dry ration through our FPS centers, as well as we have also disbursed tarpaulin sheets and blankets. Simultaneously, we have issued a public notice. I'll be sharing a copy with you, wherein we have circulated numbers of block offices, of DC office. If anyone within entire district feels that they have not received the relief despite being a victim of yesterday's storm, they can reach out to us, and these numbers will remain valid for this entire monsoon season. Whenever they feel that their houses, their infrastructures have suffered damage, they can reach out to us, and we'll make sure that immediate relief can be provided to them. We are also in close coordination with media. I want to thank our friends from media who have been calling me since morning and reporting me damages, and simultaneously very thankful to the local representatives also. I'm in touch with all honorable MLAs of the Bhoi, and they have also reported different sorts of damages, which we are taking into account while dispersing relief.